guys, my name is Clement. Welcome to my channel, Filipino. Today we're gonna start with crispy binigoong. Let's get started. The ingredients you just need will be bagoong, eggplants. You can choose a Chinese or Filipino eggplants, either which. Yellow onions, just one green mango, about 2 tomatoes, green onions, and about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. It depends on how big it is. And if you want to, we'll have some pork belly chopped into dice, or if you want to just get a whole pork belly and just slice it up into cubes. Okay, let's get started. So, first thing first, let's start boiling our pork belly to make it more crispy when you fry it up. So next, we'll need about 4 cups of water. A half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and about 3 leaves of bay leaf. Turn it on to a high heat and let it boil. Make sure you take out the excess blood.
When 10 minutes is up, just turn it off and
Let's just set it aside. Next, get like a small saute pan. Put about 4 cups of oil and let it heat it up from 350 degrees. Get a strainer and we can strain out the pork. When the oil is ready and it's hot, let's one pork belly in it. Okay, it's ready. Make sure you stir it, that means it doesn't stick to the pan. Make sure you always try to stir it, that means it doesn't stick to the flat, okay? It's done, put it in the strain and let it dry it off. When it's golden brown, transfer it off. First things first, let's grill the eggplant. Cook it until the skin is already crispy or burn off, that we can easily peel it off later on. First, you need a type of wok or anything you want to use, maybe a saute pan or frying pan. Anything would be good. First, we'll just put in the fire to medium heat. 1 tablespoon of oil. And then we're gonna put about 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Stir fry it until it's golden brown. When it's almost golden brown, let's add the onions. Then next, we'll put the tomato halfway. Now we need 1/4 cup of bagoong. Stir it. Ooh. Next, we're gonna put the fried pork belly. When it's done, turn up the heat and just put it aside and we can start preparing for it. Next, we're gonna smush the eggplants flat. Like so. Then we'll put the bagoong mixture with the eggplant, spread it. Then we just dress it up with tomato, onions, and mangoes. Voila. Then top it up. Sprinkle some green onions on top of it. And it's ready to eat. Okay, all finished. This will be good with some steamed rice. Let's have a taste. So good. It's crunchy. Not salty, but that's just the bagoong, the salty shrimp paste. Compliment with the mango, so good. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I can send you guys more videos of me cooking more Filipino foods and some Asian cuisine as well. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye!